Again, Ravi this side from Learn and Grow. So today we are going to discuss the multiple ways how we can run a awk program. So I will show you how you can run awk as a Unix command line, awk as you can run from a source file, or you can run awk as a executable script. So first we see how we run a awk as a command line, that I have already explained you. So I will explain you again. Let me go into terminal. 1 second. Okay, so this is my screen. So let us see first how we can run awk as a sample program. So this is your file sample.txt. So I will review again. So to run a awk program, you can write begin, then here, and here your action you write, then end, in end block you write, then name of file. So this is the syntax of awk. So begin, like I can write heading of file, in action I can write, suppose if I need to search the lines which contain Amit, then I can write Amit, then print only those lines that contain Amit, $0 I am using. Then in end I can write end of file processing. So 1 second, what happened? End of file unterminated. Okay, this need to be terminated. Let me show you again. This is my file and this is program, the command how I run awk, then begin, then this is action, then this is end statement. So this we already know, so no need to explain again. So this is the one way how we can run the awk as a Unix command line. This is already clear. You can do one thing also. Suppose if this is very big line you are going to write here, then you can do one thing, you can split your awk program in multiple lines. So how you can do, like I can write here begin, I can write print header of file, then I can use this symbol. Now I can further continue with my, suppose this is my action, Amit I need to search, then print $0, then again you need to end it. Here you can write your end line. So in this way you can split your awk in a multiple line so that it is easy to write. File processing, here you end it, then sample.txt. What happened? Print $0, print header of file, print end of line. Okay, I need to end it. So in this way you can also do splitting of your awk command to multiple line by using this backslash. This was end of line processing. Okay, this is second way. So here I have explained you how you can split awk in multi-line. Okay, let us proceed now a different way. Suppose you don't want to write such a big command, then you can do one thing, you can create a file here. Suppose I create a file sample.awk, and here I can write begin. Here I can put my begin statement, begin print heading of file, I can enclose it. Now action I can write here. Suppose I need to search the line that contain Amit, and I need to do print $0. Then I can write here and print file processing ends here, file processing and here ends. Okay, so here one thing you need to see, here we are not putting any quotes like we used to put here quotes like this. So when you are running from a file, you don't need to put the quotes here. Simply write your statement line by line, begin, then this. So this is a good way of writing the your program. Now we can do one thing. So we have created our file sample.awk. So now I can do awk -f. So I need to run command from this file now, not from my command line directly. And now I can give the file of sample.txt. So this way I can also do. So I have explained you. Third one is running awk from file using -f. Fourth one, last one is I am going to discuss how to run awk as a awk script. Run awk as a script. So as we run our shell script in a same manner, we can run our awk command also. So first you check where your awk is there, interpreter, which awk. So it's here. I will modify sample.awk. So now I can do one thing here. Here I need to specify my interpreter. It's user bin awk, and then you write -f, then same thing. Now I need to give the executable permission to my script. Now I can run this command and I can specify file here. My file was sample.txt. So in this way I am getting the same output. So these were the different ways how you can run a awk as a script, awk as a Unix command line, how you can split awk in multiple line on the CMD, running awk from a file using -f. So I hope these things are clear to you. So in my next video I will discuss field separator and what is record separator in awk. That is very important video. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.